Research and Development Laboratory established to work on the development of natural language processing tools, technologies, and distributable digital resources of Mindanao languages, with initial focus on endangered languages, namely Mansaka, Kalagan, and Manobo. With the increasing number of endangered languages, it is the goal of this laboratory to actually intensify research and development works that involve the collection, digitalization, storage, and dissemination of language resources, as well as the development of task-specific trained applications such as machine translation and dialect systems. We would also like to encourage more NLP researchers in Mindanao to do meaningful NLP works with us.
I am Aurora Cristina Atilano Manceras, the project assistant of the MINA LPROC R&D laboratory. So what do we do in the lab? So here, we are working closely with our partners in the development of applications that will be used for the data collection and for the training of the volunteers. We also have on-the-job trainees who are assigned different tasks for MINA. So what they do is that they are working on different projects that are in line with the goals and objectives of the laboratory. And aside from that, we also have our learning activities wherein they learn more about natural language processing through our weekly brown bag sessions.
As I always say, effective communication happens when there is feedback or a response. Bringing the essential disciplines of linguistics such as syntax, semantics, and pragmatics into technology to realize effective communication may be challenging, but it is not inherently impossible. Because with study and practice, it is achievable. The same thing happens with chatbots. Incorporate the language into the system and monitor its progress. In MINA LPROC, our response as linguists and the feedback of dialogue systems, combined with research and effort, will produce an increased capability of effective communication.
Hello, I'm one of the trainees from MINA LPROC. My team is currently working on the data collecting app called DAPOC. It is an application that collects data from Kalagan, Mansaka, and Manobo languages for future resource.
I am Jan Coronado, currently working on Project Alima. Project Alima is a mobile app that caters different languages and has features like dictionary and many more. This project will help in preserving different languages and culture.
I am John Christopher U. Delgado from Team 3, which is Team MINA. We are handling the MINA LPROC website, which are creating and updating its functionalities, design, and content. This also includes handling the work of other teams, showcasing their projects on the MINA website.
MINA LPROC and the Luzon Community Association had signed a memorandum of understanding to be collaborating partners in the conduct of the MINA LPROC activities and projects. Luzon Community Association is a non-governmental organization providing charitable services to transform communities at the grassroots level of society through active volunteerism, with Halik as their banner program, short for Health, Agriculture, Livelihood, Indigenous Culture, and Knowledge. The Luzon community will serve as the workforce of MINA LPROC when it comes to data collection and testing. The Luzon community volunteers will serve as a bridge to Mansaka, Kalagan, and Manobo tribe.
The Luzon community is grateful for these collaborations. We are so thankful for the initiative of the University of Immaculate Conception in protecting our languages of the indigenous people. It is also part of our program under community development.
The future of MINA will not just be a laboratory for language preservation, but also be an avenue for the development of language-based healthcare-related technologies in alignment with the research thrust of the university utilizing the power of natural language processing.